Hello, yeah, welcome to day 20 of the Sewwithtia 30 Days Sewing Challenge. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to cut a flounce. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of a pattern paper, but you can as well draft this on your fabric directly. So the first thing you want to do is to find the midpoint of your paper, your pattern paper, or your fabric. So I just went ahead to fold this paper into four, and you can see the crease lines showing my midpoint. So from that midpoint now, I'm going to be going up, okay, on these 4 points, these 4 cardinal points, I'm going to be going up by 1.5 inches, as you can see me do. So I just went around this particular midpoint, and from there I'm going to go ahead to cut this, to join this, okay, together to give me a circle. You can as well trace these points by using a curved ruler or any round object. Okay, so once I'm done from that point now, the next thing I'm going to do, which I could not really capture in this video, is to draw a slant line. Now there's no particular measurement for this, just draw a slant line. Okay, that is like angle 45 in the like 4 cardinal points. As you can see, what I have is X. So what I'm going to do is I went ahead to label A and B. So please just look at what I'm going to do closely at this point. So what I'm going to do is, okay, from this B point now, okay, I'm going to be making a curve to meet A. Now this A, I'm going to be putting in my width, the width of my flounce. For the purpose of this tutorial, I made use of 2 inches. So you can see from the circle to that A point, I have 2 inches. And I just went ahead to take from that B point a curve to meet the A point of 2 inches. So from that A point now, I'm just going to go ahead to keep measuring 2 inches all around until I get to the point where I have A again. Then I'm going to continue. So that is just like keep going round until you have the measurements you want. So for this particular one, you just keep going around until you can use your measuring tape to measure out the measurements you want. Okay, so I don't have any particular measurements I'm working with for this tutorial, so I just keep going on till the end, or to the end that this pattern paper can accommodate. So this is how to cut a flounce. It's very easy, and you can use this to create different design for your sleeve or even for your gown or what have you. So I'm just going to go ahead to connect the 2 inches points. You can see I have 2 inches all around. Okay, you can decide to increase this width or reduce it. This is totally up to you. And so from this point, I'm just going to go ahead to trim out the parts I don't need, like the excess paper, parts I have on this pattern paper, before going ahead to trim out the flounce itself. So just look at the way I'm going to cut this. You just keep following the circle round till you get to that point where you have your B point and you cut into your circle, and that is all you are going to have. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do watch out for my other videos. Thank you so much. And this is what the final look of this flounce is giving us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.